Is love a curse? Or is it just a game? Isn't it supposed to be a blessing? Like, I mean, was I even loved? Or my feelings was just being played with here? Will I love again? Maybe I should not.
Listen to this. Above every name, there is a name. Above every trouble, there is a name.
Constable Tom, you and Detective Lawrence come to my office immediately.
Hey man, this is serious, man. I'm telling you.
Serious, Lendo. The captain can squash us for this case now, bro.
Yeah, we in deep trouble. It's serious, Lendo.
Mika.
Hey, let's go do it. Let's do it.
Listen to this.
Commander.
Coming.
Morning, Commander.
You two, I need progress on that human trafficking cases. Women are disappearing every day in this town. And the minister is calling me, asking me when are we going to arrest. So get out there today and stop hana with me now in this case. So please, I need vandag, you sort that cases out. Don't come hana here with me. Go.
Hey, Martha. Martha.
I'm coming. I'm here now, babes. I had to kiss our son goodbye anyway.
I'm not gonna go with you like this. You have to change. I can't do it like this.
Yes. What do you mean?
No, I can't go with you wearing like this. Where are those clothes I buy for you?
Here we go again.
No, you have to change. I can't go with you like this, serious.
But I'm comfortable.
No.
This is one of my favorites.
No, your favorite, but just for me, I can't go with you like this, serious. I can't go with you like this.
Babes, we don't have time.
No.
You know what, you need to say goodbye to your son and let's...
No, I'm already late.
But I'm not changing.
Then you have to take a Uber, because I can't go with you like this.
Wow.
I can't.
Oh, Uber.
I can't go with you like this, ladies. You should pay me.
More so. Okay. 3 minutes.
The Benix, bro, yo. Now I'm tripping, fam. Papa G been tripping about all the merchandise. I mean, Thula hasn't sent anything. Did he say anything to you?
No, man, the boy is cheating on work, but
Let's just go see Papa Jimmy, maybe he can reason with us. But the dude is chicken. I don't know what we can do.
I don't fuck with that, but I mean, it's been 3 days and we've been waiting and he's not even responding to anything we say. So definitely we're walking into a dead cell.
It's okay.
The man's gonna kill us.
It's okay, man. I got a gun, you got a gun. We got all we need, man. If he reaches Charlie, then we kill the man. Whatever the shit is. But he's our boss, I don't know what we can do.
I don't know about this, man, but... Okay. Cops. See the road, bro.
At least put your phone down and wash your hands.
I'm not hungry.
Babes, please, I cooked your favorite. Just eat something.
I told you I'm not hungry.
Please eat something. Come on. Just wait for me.
Ish. Hey, woman.
So, I need to ask you a favor, babes.
What is it?
Do you still remember my sister, Maria?
Maria, which one?
Like my little sister, our flower girl on our wedding.
Yeah, I remember that one.
Yep. So, I was talking to Mommy.
Yeah.
In the rural areas, and she was just asking me if we can probably take her and offer her something to do, So I was thinking maybe we can just take her and then she will help us look after our baby. And then we don't have to get a maid and stuff,
But do you think it's a good idea?
Yeah, babes, we'll save money, plus she's my sister. If I don't help her, like who else, please.
Yeah, only on one condition.
I think I know what you want.
Really?
Yeah, of course. So, I've got plans for you tonight.
What is it?
Just sit back and relax. I've got plans tonight.
What plan?
follow my lead.
Where are we going?
No worries.
It's gonna be a good night.
Looks like for me, I don't know, it was good, bro. Ne?
Yes, bro, that was a good session, but
Yeah, man.
I'm tired.
It's tired. But me, everything is fine, man.
I can see you don't look
What
tired.
about your side?
You don't look tired.
No, I'm alright, I'm okay.
That's why I have to sit a while, man.
Hmm.
Maybe reply some messages here.
Oh, okay.
You know what I said before I forget? I really need a job, man.
Mm-hmm.
I need a job. Like since lockdown started, I haven't like worked.
Is it?
Yeah, and you see now it's easy for you to work out because you've been working all along.
Yeah. I think I've got a plan.
Is it?
Yeah, I think so. Let me just wait a minute. I think I must speak to my boss.
Yeah, so
I think so.
even if you need to bribe him, just do whatever it takes.
No. You don't need to bribe.
Whatever it takes.
You
bro,
my brother.
I need this job.
You Achimwene, you my brother, don't worry.
So now you mean I just have to wait for your boss?
Yes.
For you to go talk to your boss and stuff, and everything is gonna.
You will see.
One time.
One time.
Yeah.
Almost one
I'm
time.
gonna be there.
Yeah, you can speak. You don't need to be very. You know when he came, when I show you he's my boss, you just talk nicely. Talk nicely to him, and then you will see what he's gonna do.
Okay.
Yeah.
You think this is gonna work?
Yes, it's going. It must be work.
Okay, then I'm gonna be there. That's nice.
It must be work, man.
I'm gonna.
When you talk, just talk to him that if something is not right with Corona, what, everything, and then he will do something for you.
Okay.
Yes, I know that. I know him.
Thanks.
Saka mfana wakura kayo. So ziri kufamba here pamasites angu aya. Hotel yangu iri kubudirira. Pane construction iri kubuda here. Team iri kuzvigona here. All right. So yeah, it's great that you're enjoying your meal. Doga meal here by Jimalo. Having fun. So here's the thing. I would like you to do a project where I want you to take this stash that's in here. There's paperwork which is written everything that needs to be done. So I want you to really follow what instructions on that paperwork. There's a certain amount of money that's going to go to Tony. It's written in there. And there's a certain amount of money that's going to go with Thula with the backpack. Don't worry about the other kids. I'll take care of them. People cannot see me with Thula. So I'd like you to take this stash and do as it is written in the paperwork inside. You feel me? The rest of the issues I'll take care of. It's part of the package that you will take for the merchandise. The other team, tell Thula not to worry about it because we're going to handle it pretty well. So the name of team yangu deny. Don't worry. Everything is written here. Follow instructions. Feel me? It's really, really serious. And do as it is in the backpack. All right.
So how was your journey?
That's it. It was so beautiful. I really enjoyed it. But I didn't know it was going to be that long.
Of course it was going to be that long.
Sure. 18 hours of traveling in a bus.
And I can't wait to open my parcels. I'm so excited.
Oh, man.
Yeah, do you bring any mkomboti too?
Hi, bro. Chani sana kaloko. Hey, mama. She hates everything and anything that has to do with alcohol. So, no waste.
Yeah, no.
At least if I packed the bag by myself, then I should have. But there was no chance. Is this house yours?
Yes.
Wow. Huh? Really?
Yeah.
Don't lie. No. You're waiting for somebody here.
No way.
This is huge. Look at the curtains. This is so beautiful. No ways.
And you're going to be living here with us.
Oh, man. Thank you for bringing me here.
I'm your sister, Mos.
I cannot wait. I just cannot wait to find my way around here. Look at the lights. Wow.
And you see my husband, he will be coming home soon anyway from work. And then I'll cook you the best meal in the world, like the welcome meal.
Are you gonna cook my fave though?
I don't remember your fave, but something different.
Okay. I just cannot wait. Whatever that you're gonna cook, I don't even want to ask you to cook anything specific, but I'll just enjoy whatever that you're gonna cook. I hope it comes good. Okay.
Yeah. So do you have a boyfriend?
I know. No.
Ah,
I don't want one.
Don't worry. You'll meet someone, even at church.
No. I don't feel ready. No worries.
Never say never.
I'm that.
We'll see how it goes then. Because I'd love to come to your wedding too someday. Yay! Hey. I hope the bag is full of money.
Yeah, there's money always. How's been your day?
Oh, my day has been fine, babe. As you can see, I'm all happy she's here.
Oh, right.
Thula.
Yeah.
Right.
I last saw it on our wedding. She was still young. Can feel free. That's where you stay.
And go to put.
Yeah, so we have to go to the kitchen now and then I'll show you how I do things.
Okay.
And mister?
Let's go.
You just do my favorite dish.
Today it's about her, not you. Are you not going to the gym?
No, Dad. It was a busy day today. Just want to eat, go back, sleep.
Anyway, I love you.
Maria. She's good. Yes.
Exercice à la veille, plus égal à Tolingana kina yo toko maki moto moko. Sensibilité la ya emane bende. Bakoko bagaba kisa lokola tisha.
Yeah, I'm sorry, boss. We keep on calling the guy. We're doing everything we can, and we spoke with him on the phone, and Agati is delivering. Like, end of this day, I promise you, we'll give you solid feedback.
Yeah, I'm there. I'm gonna organize your merchandise.
Hold up. Hold up. Still fucking with me. Do you know who you're messing with?
What's Jim?
Hold up.
Daraji.
So I'm gonna mark
Daraji. Where's the doctor?
Yeah.
Thula,
do you know who you're messing with?
Thula, Gangster-Hillary, Daraji, please.
See, Do you know who you're messing with?
Jimmy Jimalo.
Jimmy who?
Jimmy Jimalo.
Okay. Don't fucking around with me. I need my shit real quick, right? I came from the gutter to make the shit that I have, and you don't get my shit. You know, I'll get me some people out there. I've been in the Twin Towers, motherfucker. You know what it is? The shit I get into. Motherfucker, don't mess with me. You see, I've been out in the Twin Towers. Motherfuckers, no grocery, no shit. And I've been out there hanging out myself, put up my shit, coming out from the gutter. And this is shit I get from you all young ass motherfuckers.
Like a boss.
Yeah.
I'm mobilizing the boys to fix the problem.
Yeah.
Bear with me.
So what I want to do is I need you to get me my shit. I need my shit real quick. So get the fuck out of here, motherfuckers. Yeah. Others making with me a program. Oh, fuck up somebody real quick.
Hey, babes.
Hey, what's up?
Good night.
I'm tired.
Yeah.
Was it busy today?
As usual. So tired.
You're already sleeping. Hello?
Yeah.
You're already sleeping.
Yeah.
Ah. Hey, babes. You're already sleeping. Come on. Remove this thing. Babes. Hey, babes. I want you, babes.
I know, but I'm tired, Thula. No.
Can you be tired every day?
No, it was a busy day for me, Thula. No, stop.
Every day you're tired. Come on.
I'm tired.
Just one.
No, we'll do that one in the morning.
No. Just one.
No, Thula, stop. Please, just stop, okay?
Please, babes.
No.
It's been like 5 days now.
Oh, wow. So you're counting days now?
Yeah, it's been
Why would you do
days.
that?
It's 5 days.
No,
Just
I'm
saying
tired.
You're tired.
I'm tired, Thula. Remember, I had a lot to do today. I had to come from work, cook for you, put the child in bed.
Yes, but you're my wife. If you don't give me, who's gonna give me? At least just give me 1 round. Only 1 round.
I said I'm tired.
Come on, babes. Just 1 round.
No, what is it that you don't understand?
I know you're tired, but just give me 1 round.
I can't.
It's been like 5 days, babes.
Thula,
Yeah.
don't even touch me, no.
Yeah, it's like you see someone.
Thula, no, man, no. Thula, man, just please. What is wrong with you?
Said you were in a demolition derby. Yeah, it was terrible. You sure? Because there's not a scratch on you. Funny what a racer can do when he's not overthinking things.
Shannon Spokes here at Florida International, where Jackson Storm clocked 214 miles per hour today.
Best part of Hud's life. You were.
Carbon there, boy?
Yes, I am. Hud saw something in you that you don't even see in yourself. Are you ready to go find it? Yes, sir.
Drafting? I've never had to do that.
Yeah, that's when you were fast. Now you're slow.
And relax. Don't be slow.
Hey, boys. Pulling the racers to the track.
Shabby. Keep this up, you'll finish in the top 10.
Top 10's not getting cut it, Smokey. I gotta go all the way.
So dig in. Remember your training. Find Storm and chase him down.
Oh, tell me he has 3 laps to catch me.
Yes.
I want to stay and watch.
That's not gonna make it, Bruce. Now go.
I'm thinking all of this shit is connected, bro.
You think so?
Eggy, the stuff is so close together. It's too coincidental to begin with.
I think it's the Olympians, man. No, it's like gang related, you know. People buying girls, 16-year-olds.
The stuff is too coincidental, and the captain, she's up our ass, bro. We need to make a plan ASAP.
Man, you know, we need to pull up our socks, man. Otherwise, this thing is gonna keep on going. So you see, we need to stop this. I'm telling you.
Either way, we need to clean the streets, my bro. We need to clean the streets. I'm tired of feeling like a hero and not being one.
Right, bro.
So we need to make a plan, see.
I'm tired. I'm dreaming this flight and my bags and my luggage and everything. Make some calls. The day. Anyway. Yeah. I'm gonna call my husband, find out, let him know what just happened. Only if he picks up anyway. Glad to be out of the house. Is there wine in this place? Yeah, I could do some wine. Okay. Okay, I need to check it. Okay, what's going on now?
Maria. Maria, I want you. I want you so badly, Maria. Hello, Maria.
Putul?
Bring me something to drink.
Okay. All right. Maybe I should call my sister actually. Let me leave it. I can't handle anything right now. Hey babe, I've been trying to call you. I'm having a hectic day. That was one of the longest flights. Anyway, they lost my luggage at the airline and now I don't have anything with me. And I have to wait for them to call and confirm and wara. I don't know how long it's going to take. So it means I'm going to be spending more days here. So please take care of my babies. I love you. And please get back to me as soon as you get this message, okay? It never stops, does it? Here's the water.
Relax. Hey, relax. Chill. Hey, just relax. Hey, relax. Hey, just relax. Hey, relax.
No.
Maria, just chill. Maria, just chill.
Thula, no. I'm so sorry. Whatever that I've done,
you didn't do anything.
I'm so sorry. It won't happen again.
Maria.
What?
I love you.
No.
It's just between me and you. I can give you everything you want.
No. Okay. No.
Maria.
Between.
I can give you everything you want.
I don't want anything. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Come.
Where's my sister? What are you
don't
doing?
worry about your sister. Between me and you. Maria.
Thula, why? Thula, stop this. No.
Come on.
I can't. No. I'm so sorry, Thula.
Maria.
I'm gonna scream.
If you just scream, I'll kill you. I'll fucking kill you. I'll fucking kill you. Just keep quiet. Keep quiet. Thula. understood. I just let them think. Susud. Amigo. Buana.
Tiende tisasare shuri Tobunika tanda lwako baby Diatela unika tanda lwako baby Yaktanda standwa Yaktanda baby Yaktanda standwa
Oh, hi. Hello. Hi. Good, what's up? I'm Tanya, and you? Are you new here? Oh, I see. Would you like to try some? No. Why? Not in the mood, or?
I don't drink.
What? You must be kidding. Where on earth do you come from? Are you from Wakanda? Where are you from? Do check this guy out. He's asking me out. He's kind of cute, but do you have a boyfriend? Don't have a boyfriend. Shh. Shh. Boyfriend. Stop. I don't know what to do.
I wanna take you to Harare. Oh Yes, igama lami liyatshomusa ntombi yomsamari andiboshi bantu andilwi namntu why mna why me why
So, listen, I'll call you again. I'll call you both. Hey, I know you. What's up?
It's you again. What do you mean it's you again? Everybody likes me in this place. What's up? I'm not your boyfriend. Jeez. Get a grip. What's wrong? You don't look okay. Yeah. You're not okay. Let's go. Don't look okay. What's up? You know what? You and me are going out tonight. Come with me. Need some makeup. Come. Let's go. Jeez. So, you know her, not me. Come on, I know your sister. I'll talk to you. That doesn't mean you know me. Just relax. What's the problem with me now? Come here.
Sisi narazo uchiva manyanya mishonga manyanya timimba ibate
Look at you, girl.
Your things, you know. But you know, that's a nasty. You know, one the one thing that's not, you know, why? Need one thing.
I mean, what's the point of being Jolo Cape Town when I'm sitting at the whole shit?
Cape Town is the place. Great city.
Sound the big thing there.
You're a genius, baby.
Kava mboni zarukuti no za Mako zarukupinda tato no ka.
We come to party.
Go shorty.
Every girl I looking bad.
Go shorty.
We come to party.
Go shorty.
Every girl I looking bad.
Go shorty.
Every girl I looking bad. Every girl I looking bad.
Life edge superstar kushika position nefentika. Artist kubatika sipata shika.
And then, Wakanda, sit down.
Usati nyepere patashika amutevere.
Every girl I looking bad.
Okay, so this is Maria. I call you Wakanda.
Wakanda, what's up? Is this your first time in Cape Town?
Yes.
You're welcome.
Because
So what you drink?
I don't drink.
I don't. As you can see, everybody's drinking.
Yes, come on, just pop the champagne. I'm thirsty, guys. I'm thirsty.
Now, where you come from, they call you party poopers. I don't know if you want to be called one. Okay, let's go. Now you take a sip with me. Cheers. Come on. Okay, that's it. Let's go. See, you're not dead. How does it make you feel?
Chandas.
No, there's more of it. There's more in my room. There's more everywhere. Like, yeah.
no boa chero ndikagoa munhu wawawona muclub wakutoenda naye padheni kokafa kwai hanzi kune edzi saka dai wamboita stedi kokafa ko ukafira pamusoro uda kuzotakudza mutoro kokafa munhu wawawona muruti wakutoenda naye padheni kokafa ndoda kumbotsura mayuti ini lilichizitsura futi mwari anochengeta nozvichengeta kana wazvichengeta dai wazvibata.
Okay, guys, let's take this party to our place. There's more at my place.
You're the man.
Father, I have a confession. Dakaita combination. Dakapinda mu rotation. Dakaina na kukumba ku location. A long time since I would have truly.
Kuya kutiwa. Busy everything. Just dead now. Maria. Let's put something. Maria. Maria. Hayibo Maria. Wenza njani kaloku hayibo? Wenza njani manje? Amen. Hayibo Maria. Hi Mtwana. Are you okay? Come on, you look off. Maria. Maria, are you okay? You don't look good to me. You know what? Let's go sit down and talk. Maria, come. Hi, Mtwana. Isa. Maria, you can talk to me. You look off. I'm your sister, remember? We're family. You can talk to me about anything. Anything. I'm here for you. Who put Thula, sis? Yeah. Is that Kaya? Talk to me. Oh, Thula. You can talk to me. You can talk to me. I'm your sister. You can trust me. Okay, you cannot just say, what did my husband do? Thula, sis. It's okay, come here, come here. Just breathe in and out, okay? Okay, can you just take it easy? Maria, is it about the laptop? What? Okay, what is going on? Okay, fine. What did you say?
He did.
More news. Thula did what to you? Talk to me. No! Don't even say anything. You just come to ruin my home. Okay, who put you out to this? I'm happily married. We happy. And you just came from nowhere and then the next thing. Okay, fine. You know what? I don't have anything to say to you right now. You just want to wreck my home. Just because we have the same mother, different fathers, and then why are you doing this to me? We brought you now home. We tried to help you out. And this is how you think us. Now you're accusing of my husband of doing, you know, I can't do this anymore. I can't do this anymore. You know what? Let me tell you one thing. Don't you just say anything to anyone about this. You have to stop your nonsense. You get it. You have done enough damage in my family. I'm happily married. I'm okay. Whoever sent you to do all this shit, it has to come to an ending. We're okay. I want to hear a word from you. And don't you dare say anything to anyone about me and my husband. We try to give you a better life, and this is how you think us. This is nonsense, man. You ungrateful bitch. Just because you're a yellow boy, you think you can just come and wreck my home just like that? Me and Thula, we came from far. We have built this whole thing together. And we trust in each other, and then you just come and tell me that my husband. For what? What is it that you have that I don't have? Nonsense. Don't say anything to anyone about this. Do you understand me?
Hello?
Yeah, Ilan.
Hello? Yeah, Achimwene. How's it? Yeah, I was about to just make myself something to eat, like prepare supper, and then I come to you.
Listen here, my friend, make it quick, come here, man. Maybe you can see my boss. Yes, I'm here at work.
Like now? Okay, I'll be there now. Let me just change my clothes and then I come to you.
Yes, I'm here at work. Yeah, so make sure that you make it quick because I'm here. My boss also is here. Yeah. Okay. We've been waiting for you. Okay, all right. Thanks, my man. Thanks, bye.
This guy.
Stoko. John fully cage. Sean fully cage. Nkhawuta mna Thula andanondazi uThula Kandazi nondazi mina. Sizakunya namhlanje. Ha!
Hey, into kanyo. Hey, into kanyo. Not parangoze kabanaba.
Are you crazy?
Hey, to check, bro.
You shouldn't be taking me to the hospital.
Are you okay? Just go if you want to go. Check, bro.
Just take fuck off.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Should we call an ambulance or something? Are you fine?
I feel fine.
Can you be able to stand?
Yes, excuse me, my shoe first. I want my
shoe. I can hold that for you, don't worry. I can hold it for you. Can you be able to stand?
Yes.
Okay, easy. Easy. Take it easy. I can hold that for you.
She make me fantasize about the things I wanna do to her. She make me realize that I really, really love her. She did make me colo. She did do me ginger. She did make me colo. She did do me ginger. Rock out and wine for me. Rock out, let's do them things, my girl. Rock out and do that thing. Rock out and bring it close. Me wanna make you shout out. Let the neighbors know I'm around. You're rolling with that dun-da-da. Make you sound say, oh my gosh. You're running with that Batman thing. The real bad thing. The maddest thing. Girl, you're the realest thing, the maddest thing, the sweetest thing. Mommy ain't no funny. The way this love is going, baby, it's alright. For you, I can die. She make me fantasize about the things I wanna do to her. She make me realize that I really, really love her. She will make me follow.
Sorry, Achimwene, man. I'm late, man. I overslept, bro.
Hey, I was waiting for you. Why are you late like this? Eh?
I think I overslept. I don't know what happened. I just couldn't wake up.
Where have you been? The boss was waiting for you for a long time, and then I think everything, it was all right. You see? How can you do something like that? I was doing everything for you.
I'm sorry, bro.
No, man, you can't do something like that. I have to go. You know what? I was even not sleeping, thinking about you. What?
So we're not gonna gym anymore?
No, man, I can't do
it anymore. I think I need to apologize to this guy. Achimwene! Wait!
True love, original. Baby, don't worry, I got your back. With complex Senegal. You see, I'm made for you, and I see you're made for me.
You know what, babes?
Yes, ma'am.
I've been thinking, like, these past months have been the best months of my life. All because of you, Australia.
Really? I think like I should be the one who's thanking you. A lot has been happening in my life. And you just came and you changed everything.
Really?
I should be grateful to you.
Wow. I don't know what to say.
You don't have to say anything.
I think I do. Maria, I love you. Diyakuthanda.
I love you too, babe. I really do. Okay? Come in.
I really like your dress, you know.
I thought you didn't notice.
I do.
Okay.
It's a detail here.
Okay. You love a boy. I'm sorry, babe. I can't. I'm really sorry.
Why, Maria?
I'm sorry, babe.
I thought we both want this.
I just can't.
We've been waiting for months. What do you mean you can't?
I just cannot, babe. I'm sorry. You know what? I'm sorry.
Maria. But why, babes?
I'm so sorry, my love. I just can't.
I thought we both waited, we both want this.
I know. But I just can't, man.
Maria.
Nairo, Wanda Nairo, Mela Seko. Hey, Madam Ansel, Ndengenin. Ndengenin. This is my house. You meet the boss of
Please open up for me.
owner of this house. You are so beautiful.
Hi, boss. Can I please leave?
Yes, you're gonna leave.
When?
But I want to talk to you first. I'm at the boss.
Boss?
Yes.
I need to leave.
Anayo. Umela. Seko.
I'm begging you here. Can I please leave?
What is your name? Tell me your name, Kona.
I have to, you know my name. I have to leave, man. Please. I understand, boss. Please. Can you just let me go just for now? I'll stay the other day. But just not today.
Lady, you know what? You are in good hand now. I'm the one who have all this good is for me. The house, the money. So you are in good hand now.
I understand. Can I please go? Please don't do that.
Sokan.
Okay.
Sokan.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You are in good. You are in good hand now.
I have to leave.
Hey, Nyindu.
Hey, it's just...
What's up?
It's just there for you.
Yes.
Oh, you
What's your
don't
problem?
just live on.
You have a problem?
No, I'm done with you.
Whatever. Makambabana mikena kokota ya ngote. Whatever. Okay,
Please open up the gate.
So, Zamba, wait, we're going to go.
Hey, when I go.
I do what I do and I love what I do, so you can do it too. I am what I am cause I am. I am what I am cause I am. I do what I do and I love what I do, so you can do it too. Drum on the case. Drum on the case. Little drum on the case. Okay.
Achimwene.
Yes.
I think I'm in love, bro.
What do you mean in love?
You need to see the girl. Then you
understand. That's nice. That's beautiful.
Yeah?
Yeah, she's very beautiful.
Oh.
But when I see, it looks like I know her.
You think so?
Yeah, it looks like I know her.
You can't know this one.
Yeah, it looks like I know her. It's familiar for me.
She's the reason why I didn't show up the other day.
No, I know. Okay, let's go. We can see something. But I know.
Asala nina. Small boy, how are you?
Small boy, me. It's me who questions small boy.
Where you are from?
Bro. Is your father in the house?
My father's not there. I'm the one here. I'm a father of this house, man.
Oh man, it's something serious. I want to pay them.
I say I'm here. I'm the father of this house. Pesa ngambongo di.
Don't drink this money.
Those are sangaba. Pesa ngambongo. Okay.
Money for it.
Zela na konte yango. Mongo
Don't trust me with money.
No, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you, man. No, man. Man, I already finished. I drank a lot, man.
Alright. You make out.
Okay, fine. I know you are good guy. I'm gonna pay you.
Don't drink the money.
No, man. Don't worry. Going to drink today. It's a small man. I'm just going to take $100. Yeah. Papa, as my father, I'm going to talk to him.
Say, so I got some things on my chest and I just want to tell you how I feel. Said I'm sorry, yeah, I mean it, oh. And I'm sorry, yeah, I mean it, baby. Love the way you are. Kukushunguruza moyo wako, hey, yeah. Baby, I'm just trying to be a good man to you. And I love the way you are. You are my superman. You don't make me say no. Girl, I wanna take you away. Chocolate, mamacita, avocado. Oh, yeah. And I love the way you are. Chocolate, mamacita, avocado. Oh, yeah. Said I love the way you are. And I love the way you are, girl.
Hi, babes.
Hey,
How are you?
good, thanks for you.
Good. You look fine.
Thank you. So, babe, you made all this for me.
Yes. All of it for my queen.
Okay. So cute.
Done.
Kakhulu. Wena ufuna undiravaza namhlanje ne?
Utsho.
Sakubabo, come here.
Like them.
Can you keep them aside for now?
Just relax. Chuchu, I want you. Hey, Maria, Thula, just relax.
No.
I want you. Hey, I'm so sorry. Maria.
I'm so sorry, no.
Hey.
You can't call her Thula.
Maria.
Thula, no.
Maria.
No.
Maria, what's wrong? Did I ask you? Maria, what's wrong? Maria, what's wrong?
So exhausted. What a day. These couches are not comfy, the grey ones. Yo, I thought it's a woman's duty to change all the furniture. Why does he have to do whatever he wants all the time? Anyway. Maria! Why is it so quiet here? Maria! 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 Anyway, when I sing, I'm going to pass. So tired. I'm home now. I better go relax in the bedroom. A glass of wine should do anyway. Hey, you. Let's go. And I was Mr. Teddy today. Oh, that's how I go, Kunashe. I missed you. Come give me a hug. Hey, you look handsome as always. Where is Mama?
Mama's going to Maria.
Where's Maria?
Maria's running and beat me.
So what did you eat for lunch?
I eating bread.
You ate bread?
Yes!
Huh. I thought I ordered something, which is not bread. Anyway. And what are you watching?
I'm watching TV.
I know you're watching TV.
Yeah.
But what exactly are you watching? Is it Tom and Jerry?
Hi.
Hi.
Stay here. I'm looking for somebody.
Does that someone have a name at least?
Yeah, this girl. Her name is Maria.
Oh, okay.
Do you stay here?
Is this an interrogation or what?
No, it's serious. Like,
should have been a number or something.
I do. I've been trying to call her, but I can't get hold of her.
Come on, dude.
Sorry, it's fine.
It's the 21st century.
Okay.
Kuna Maria ngithi ma-face tokadakwa ulenga. Try kumchuna nemanyama, ma-face manyama ntrela zvithi mabhara mke. Anondibahasha mama yake ntombo mtraga. Phone check at this. Go inside.
So you said you ate bread for lunch? I thought it was chicken. I thought you ate chicken for lunch. Because I ordered it bread for you. Anyway, let me look for Maria. I think I need to call her. Where's my phone?
Your phone's dying. They just put it the key.
I love you. Maria, where's this girl? Where's this girl? Where's Maria? Hello? Hey, Mhaga composition. Yes, it's that. Hey, Dave. Good. I forgot to close the door. It's fine.
Where is Maria? I'm looking for Maria.
What happened to respect you? Even Uncle greeted me the proper way. Yeah, go sister, what is Maria? One was Yaga Maria Shipa. Hey, and I can't even smell the weed from me. Why are you looking for my sister? What do you want? I hope you're not teaching and naughty stuff. I don't trust you at all these days. Where Maria, you're supposed to be together because I see I'm actually looking for her. Because I was about to call her because Nashika Kunashe got you on my cartoon. Even lunch, she didn't even cook lunch. Manaji got chingwa maskat. Anyway, how was school?
Museum, wake up, we play out there.
I hope you're taking your education seriously. Because my wounded at was cut from Mazwana.
Sister.
Anyway, you can help yourself to coffee or juice or whatever you want. Don't touch my wine.
I'm smart. I'm involved.
Thank you. Kuabanga, she complained a little bit about the way I dress. So I was like, okay, let me just do a little bit of something.
I know just a guy, not mine.
Oh, okay. Okay, sure, for Babu. I don't even trust this girl. Wait. Nonsense. Don't say anything to anyone about this. Do you understand me? You ungrateful bitch. Just because you're available, you think you can just come and drag me home just like that? Me and Thula, we came from far.
Maria, I love you.
Are you okay?
Sister, I'm asking, are you okay?
Bien angai. Bien, osabia.
Boni calme.
Tosabi. Osala
non, osala.
Lana yaka mikolo nyonso namona ka ote.
Nazale yo, lelo ye bien. Namoni ba petit ya nini ça va.
Tete na uchi kunati. Oh, mama. Ndenge nini?
Mama. Don't do that.
Hey, I'm talking to you, man. I'm Kinimbi. Look. I'm going to spell up. You see this one. Full for you. I'm Kinimbi.
How you know him,
Hey, my man. Give me that one.
Which one?
My special one. You know most.
Which expensive? You drink black? You drink black label every day here.
No, I'm not drinking that cheap one. You know what about?
Drink every day.
You know what about? You know what about? I'm talking about something. Hey, Tala. Nazamu tombongo yako sana na ngate pesa ngama sangawana awa. Te pesa ngama sanga share wana na mela. Mema, we are going somewhere today. Don't sleep. We're going to finish all this thing, yeah? Okay. Papa, pesa ona ebisio wana.
Where are they? Achimwene, where the fuck are they?
Wait.
Where is my girlfriend?
Wait, don't worry about this. I call you, don't worry. Calm down.
Where are they?
Calm down. Yeah, they.
What the fuck? Small boy, what are you doing with this guy?
Hey, Tala.
When I want to
you know you do hey, girl. Hey, Tala. I was stand on my bed.
Fuck you.
You. Say.
What the fuck do you think you're doing with my girl? What the fuck do you think you're doing with my girl? What the fuck do you think?
You know what? To take in, man.
We are doing.
Fuck you. Zoba.
But guys, do you think they will believe me? Of course they will believe you. Trust me, they will believe you. They will believe every word that you say, okay? No ways.
You can do this. Let's go.
No ways. Let's just go. Let's not waste time. Thula is out there, free, and look what he did to you. But he ruined you. Let's go. I'm not taking a chance. Let's go.
You can do this. Come on.
Wait, discuss this already. I know. We are. But they won't.
We're already here.
Why do you think they won't believe me? Just put yourself together. The police are here to protect you. Okay. They are there for your protection. They will believe every word. Tell them everything. Even if it sounds stupid, tell them every word. Okay? They will believe you. Trust me. Good day to you, sir. Can I please see the station commander?
The station commander is not, she's the most busy in the meeting at the moment. Do you have the appointment with her?
Do I need an appointment?
So you have to.
Okay, can we discuss this somewhere private? Because this is like a more private situation. It's a sensitive case.
Right. Can't you discuss that with me, maybe?
Maybe in private, not here.
Okay, private. You can go through that door, then we'll meet you that side. It's private one, you say?
There's everything at key.
Okay, so my friend here has been violated.
How did she have been violated?
Sexually.
Okay, then I'll organize somebody who can speak with the lady.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you so much. Thank
Okay, let's see what I over here.
Yes. Yeah, Grant. Hey, what a day, man. The streets are still talking. There's people going missing every single day. So I think we need to up our game.
Hectic, man.
What's been going on? Anything new yet?
I've got a number, and then a match with the guy that we got.
Not gonna lie, bro. She's eating on me, bro.
That guy is going to sing.
He's a famous, man. He's a famous. He must get off the street now. You know, so the whole neighborhood and everyone can be happy because I'm telling you, bro, there's trauma out there.
That guy is our key.
I don't know.
That's our key.
They're going to help you, okay? You just need to tell them the truth. Don't lie about anything. And okay. Please, I'm always with you, friend, okay? Don't worry, it's going to be fine. Detective Tom?
Yeah, Rookie.
Detective Tom?
Yes, Rookie, I'm busy.
Detective Tom, I've got 2 ladies here. It's in connection with human trafficking.
What?
And also sexual abuse.
You should have just said it first time. Where are they?
They are sitting here.
Okay, cool. Cool. Let's go see them.
Thank you, Detective. They are sitting right here.
Okay.
Right.
All right. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? Good. Okay, I heard you wanted to report a case of abuse, human trafficking.
Of course,
Yeah? Okay.
So she's the one who's going to tell you all the details.
All right.
You need to know the case, yeah.
Okay. Cool. Feel free. It's okay? You can tell us everything. We've got a lady here. You can tell us everything. If you are ready.
So, Detective, this is what happened.
Come on, move. Ja, die lekker kak aan me vang, né? Wat die sit hier, papa. Kom. Ja, nie nog wag hier, man. Kom hier zo. Right, kom. Ja, Thula. Maak jou baie iets goed af.
Hey, just relax. Dream, I'll kill you. Thula win. Thula.
Come to me, Mama.
It's gonna be a good night.
Oh, Rubenga.
Yeah, because it's like 7 days now. We're not even 6 yet.
Did you get
No,
just stop. No. Just stop. Please stop to the no. What is wrong with you?
TikTok.
Yeah, Grant, man, how's it?
Thula guy wants to talk.
Wants to talk? I said that's a good one, I think.
I think this is the chance to nab this guy. This guy's causing enough cack on the street, brother. Mr. Thula! And then I want to pass me, man. You're going to talk to me now. Hey, Mr. Thula! You're going to talk to me now. Hey, Thula! Look at it, man. You're ready to talk to me now. Right.
This house is done. Yeah, this house is done. She's done before. Where the fuck is this Aronson guy, man?
I don't know, man. You know, that's the problem with these people.
Fuck, man. Like, it's been 2 hours now.
No, but he said you wanted to do the deals, but he's actually not doing anything.
Time is money and it's ticking.
always tell you about these boys from these countries. They don't understand these things. It's dangerous around you. You don't just come. You look at the time now. They're supposed to be here.
We're sorry, man.
I got this. Okay.
You're taking me.
Come. Look at this fucking boy, man. What the fuck is he, bro?
I'm telling you, bro.
Congolese, Japanese, Pakistanese. You late.
Relax. Hey.
It's a gamma.
Man, arrête de faire ça, man. Je suis en retard, man. Quand même, je peux prendre un coup.
What did you bring us here?
These are merchandise, man.
Professor, on a come on a summer. Kafika kunaka. Ayanya malat man. Boga soda. Come here. Hey, too funny.
So is this the time you're supposed to bring merchandise?
There was a lot of gaps in the way, so I struggled to get here. But I'm going to bring you nice merchandise.
But you know the rules. You know the rules.
I know, man. Je t'apporte de nouvelles têtes maintenant là. J'arrive là.
And you know, this is all I'm saying you know the rules. If you bring merchandise this late, you know what will happen to us. You need to put your plan in order, otherwise this is not how.
Next time we're gonna do professional.
Hey, relax. Hey.
But don't worry, I'm going to get it now.
Are you gonna bring another?
Nice one.
Okay, this time make it quick.
Beautiful, kitoko one.
Get out of here.
Go.
Relax. Hey. We are both.
The police, put your hands up.
Where are the girls?
I don't know.
Yeah, where are the girls? Oh, shoot, quick, man.
Okay. Inside.
Where?
Inside. Hey.
Hey, bro, why you check slow, man? Make quick, man. She's good now.
We're playing here. We're not playing grand here.
Hold it down. There's behind your back. Stand up. Hold down.
Tom, I got him. I got him. Yeah, don't scrap him. Up. Move. Good job, guys. Good job. Did you call the ambulance?
Yes, detective.
Okay, cool. Nathan, I need you to check on those girls. You come with me.
Alright. All the girls, anyone yet? Are you okay? You okay? Okay, cool. Move out for me. Come on, just stand over there. Let me start.
Hey, you okay? Can you walk? Are you alright? Can you walk? Yeah, we'll be outside on the side.
Okay, thank you.
I'm worried. There's people outside. Why don't you help him?
Thank you.
Safe place.
Come on, we're strong. Hello? Can you hear me? Yeah, yes, we are. Yeah. Stand up, man. Yeah, I'm gonna take you to the safe place now. Stop! We got a serious one here. Emergency. Jeez, what did they do to this girl?
Do you know who you're messing with? Where's my merchandise? Cut the crap. I need my merchandise real quick or fuck or shit's gonna get fucked up real quick, you feel me? Shit, this damn nigga. He doesn't know who you're messing with, man. Motherfucking Jimmy Jimalo. You feel me?
Now we're funky. Did you tell her to better post you at our Zanzi?
You can even be jogging like there, like jog, facing that, yeah.
What's wrong?
You're shouting, remember?
Oh, okay,
okay,
alright.
I mean, you're not serious. I don't know what you want to do. Then you say, let's wait out.
Yeah, okay, alright.
Well, you say, I'm going, man.
Yeah.
Okay, recording in 3, 2, 1, action.
You see, listen yourself. The boss was waiting for you for a long time, and then I think everything, it was alright. You see, how can you do something like that? You disappoint me, man.
Let's go.
So we need to get going. Maybe we need to prepare.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
I think so. We also have to prepare to work, and then you know, you must come, and then we can see what we're gonna do.
I was not ready for this, so
yeah,
I need to be ready for
I have an expensive one.
Which expensive? You drink black? You drink black grape every day here. Which one you want? Which expensive? Which expensive? You don't have money.
Let's go. No phone, Achimwene. You just you just gonna talk to that guy. Ashwin, don't look that side. Be busy. Go break. And you're recording in 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Hey, Achimwene, I think I'm falling in love here.
You think so?
Yeah.
Why? How do you know that?
I just see the girl.
Hey,
the rest through.
Hey,
Funky on a beat, yeah.